Man, I'm in Detroit Airport, and you know how people get off the wheelchair when they get off the plane and somebody got to push them? Well, check that out. This has changed. So as you can see here, this guy is in a robotic wheelchair. It's a robotic chair. So what he does is he put his gate, he scanned his QR code right here. He put his gate number where he's going here. The robot wheelchair then takes him all the way to his gate and gives him about 10 seconds to stop. So you can see he's rolling. And when I tell you, he's not even touching the chair at all. He did nothing but scan the QR code. They're taking your jobs. If you understand what's going on, you don't need a person once you get off the plane or the robot to do it for you. Let me know if y'all rocking with this or not. I think this is a genius idea. Solo Dolo.